Hello guys and welcome again, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about Pascal's law. What are the concepts behind Pascal's law, and which instruments are based on Pascal's law. So first one is statements. So what is Pascal's law? So it states that if pressure is applied at a point in a closed container having a liquid, so it transmits pressure equally in all direction, and that law is called Pascal's law. So this law is practically very important. So there are lots of instruments which are based on Pascal's law, that is here written. First one is our hydraulic press, then hydraulic lift, hydraulic jack, hydraulic brake. So what, in which mechanisms are these instruments are based? So these instruments are based on Pascal's law. So what are the statement of Pascal's law? So the if pressure is applied in a closed vessel containing liquid, then the pressure is transmit all direction equally. So let's see the mechanism or the diagrammatic structure of this hydraulic press. So how the hydraulic press are worked. So if you understand one time hydraulic press, then you understand all these terms: hydraulic lift, hydraulic jack, hydraulic brake, because they are based on similar principle and same formula. That is, here you can see. So here you can see that is F1 by A1 equals to F2 by AT, that is F1 by A1 equals to F2 by A2. So this is the most important formula for your numerical examination, that is F1 by A1 equals to F2 by A2. Sir, where from this formula will came? So let's see this piston, that is first time. So suppose this is piston A and this is piston B. Here this is piston B and this is piston A. So piston A is a small surface area. Suppose A1 is the surface area, cross section area of the piston A, and if we apply force, small force F1 to piston A, and at the same time, so what force exert on piston B? Because these are filled with liquid. So if piston B possesses cross section area A2 and then it exert upward force F2, so then what we write? So the pressure at piston A, F1 by A1, and the pressure at piston B equals to F2 by A2. So according to Pascal's law, so the pressure at piston A is equal to pressure at piston B. So what is the pressure at piston A? F1 by A1. And what is the pressure at B? That is P2, F2 by A2. Then what we say? Therefore F1 by A1 equals to F2 by A2. Therefore F2 equals to F1 into A2 by A1. So here what we say, since A2, let's see, the area of A2 is more, cross section area of this piston B, that is A2, is more than the cross section area of piston A1. So in that case, when A2 is greater than A1, so when we divide this large quantity with a small quantity, then what we get, that is F2 is always greater than F1. So F2 is greater than F1. So it means, it says that when we apply a small force, then there is a multiplication of force takes place, and due to which we can lift the more and more load by using this hydraulic press by applying a small force. So these are all about the Pascal's law. Now questions come in your exam in that patterns. So states Pascal's law and write any name of 4 instruments which are based on Pascal's law. So you can write this: hydraulic press, hydraulic lift, hydraulic jack, hydraulic brake. And then one is, this is the very good formula for numerical problem, that is F1 by A1 equals to F2 by A2. It means that the pressure at piston A is equals to pressure at piston B. And so thank you for watching so much, and next video we will discuss about density, relative density, and some other topics. Thank you.